Hey everyone, so here I'm making a super deluxe wild green smoothie made from soaked goji berries, bananas, organic fair trade delicious bananas, a few delicious dates, and also some raisins at the bottom there, organic raisins. Here, this won't be part of my smoothie, but this is Shazandra berry tea, which I sell on my web store now if you're interested. Organic Shazandra berries. I also added in some ginseng and ginger. Here is some more bananas I'm going to put in here now. I have a whole lot of like dandelion flowers, which are full of lecithin, great for your eyes and your red blood cells, your blood and your eyesight. And here are some dandelions and also some dock leaves. That white is when you pick the flowers underneath the stalk, and that white can be put on moles, warts and things like that on your skin to remove them safely, naturally and effectively. Dock leaves are very bitter. These are all superfoods, extremely high in massive amounts of nutrition, and since I've just picked them wild and fresh a minute ago, they are bursting with nutrition. They're at the highest of the high, rather than if you think about when we buy things from the shop, they're often on being in storage for a few days or a day or even a week, depending on if it's supposedly fresh produce like fruits and vegetables. And often then they're like on the shelves for a few days, so they've lost massive amounts of nutrition. So these will have epic high quantities, which will be great for my eyesight, which I'm improving by the day, basically speaking, my eyesight and eye health. And gojis are amazing for your eyes and lots of other things. So all of this is super, and the reason why I'm taking this, and here I'm dehydrating my own wild greens to make into a powder or a tea also. Here's my computer, here's some like nutritional stuff I have going here, some crystals, a nice crystal necklace, some lovely fruits. And I'm going to do a cycle today on my new bicycle. It'll be 8.6 kilometers one way and then another 8.6 back, so that's 17.2 kilometers, which is about approximately 12-13 miles, something like that. Nah, it's around actually 11 miles, I think. Yeah. So that's that, and I'm just going to blend it up with some nice spring water that I have collected. And yeah, that's my superfood green powder there, which is not even a powder, but it's better. It's nice, fresh, and natural. And this gives me loads of energy, and I'll bring some in my backpack, and I'm going to take that as a sports drink. And that's the best thing to take if you're an athlete, or if you need high performance, if you're recovering from sickness and injury, this will help heal you. So take between 4 and 8 cups of this a day, or even more if you're sick, or if you're an athlete and you want the best of the best performance. You'll get all your carbohydrates, and the more sweet foods you put in it, the higher the carbohydrate load, such as like sugary fruits like ripe bananas. These aren't at the full optimization of ripeness, but they're still sweet. Raisins, anything sweet like dates. I know even people who've done ultra marathons just eating dates. There's like multiple marathons at the same time in succession. And it's also good to support your body with antioxidants and just stuff like minerals, which are very important too. So there we go, and I hope this video has been beneficial and helpful to you, and even inspiring to get your health on track, improve your body, help your organs. Also check out my herb store if you're welcome to fix yourself even more. I'm a huge fan of Oceanic, which I take every day at a good vibrant dosage, helping me enormously to recover, to re-strengthen and rebuild my adrenals, which were depleted badly, very badly. But now I'm making big inroads thanks to green smoothies, thanks to my herbs. Here's my herb cabinet. I've got lots of stuff there, and all I can say is you're worth fixing your health, and it's only when you're sick of bad health will you really fix your health big time. So if you really want the best in life for yourself, and you're ready and you're looking forward to it, then use nature's, it's springtime now, use Mother Nature. I've got like, this is like this is all like better than organic, and I didn't even have to grow it. Like stuff everywhere, dandelions everywhere. This is going to grow big, and I'm going to like make dehydrated. Here's like a dock leaf, here's like clover, dandelions. I even juice grass. Grass is like, you know, it's like wheatgrass. So I'll see you again in another video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and leave us a comment, or else like the video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, God bless, and to your health, happiness and wellness. Peace of mind. Bye.